Good morning, guys. Today I have a full day of designing and packing orders, so I'm kind of being lazy right now. I'm just gonna finish putting the design on this jacket of this illustration that I did, and then I have to get to some work at the desk. So I'm here working now, about to pack an order, and I just realized that I'm down to the very last mailer that I have, so I definitely have to buy more of these. I'm out of everything now. I realized yesterday that I was out of like the cardboard things that I put my prints in, but now we're down to one of these. So I definitely have some things to do tomorrow as far as buying more packaging items. Whenever you guys order from my shop, I always take time to make sure that I feel like I pick out the most perfect card to go on your order. So it's actually a lot of thought goes into it. Alright, so I have these three ready to go, and this order was actually from somebody, like this girl ordered this for this senior, and since she ordered it for the senior, I'm still sending her something. So I'm sending her some wall art, and I'm gonna give her a sticker as well. I've actually been getting a lot of work done this week, especially since I've been doing the juicing, because work keeps my mind off of being tired or hungry. So I just did something that says, just live your life. I think this is something that, like, I mean, obviously anybody can use this, but the seniors, for people graduating and going to college, or graduating from college, I just wanted to have something encouraging for them. And I try to make the colors kind of bold and stand out. I mean, I like stuff like that. So I think this would be nice. These are 8.5 by 11 right now, but I also think 8 by 10s would be nice. So I did 8 by 10s over here, as you can see. And I'm still organizing them, but that's just the layout. I don't know if I should print the 8.5 by 11s or the 8 by 10s. So I'm just trying to figure that out. But yeah, so I did this. I don't think I showed you guys the newest shirt to the collection. It just says, just live your life. So this is the front of the shirt. And then on the sleeve, it has lead with love. Like on that open, like the seam going straight down. And then I put on the back, just living my life, no telling where to take me. And this is for a senior. One of my friends from high school, her daughter is graduating high school now. So I'm going to send this in like a little package for her. I told her mom that, well, I told my friend that I was sending her daughter just like the senior keychain. But I'm actually going to send her a little bit more than that. I think we talked about this in like a few days ago, but I just wanted to show you what the actual shirt looked like. This is not what I had in mind for the design starting off, but time got away from me and I didn't really have time to design what I wanted to. So this is what it ended up looking like, but I'm happy with it. I like it a whole lot, and I hope the color is coming off good how it is in real life, because I know the colors can be off whenever it goes to screen. But yeah, so it's pretty good. I'm pretty sure this shirt is probably too big for her, but I still think she'll be able to use it. So it's actually a very gloomy day outside, but as you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, this is the wall that I use to take pictures of my products. So I'm just gonna hang this up, and hopefully I can get some good shots, because it's so dim in here now. It's like the lighting in my apartment is already bad, but especially when there's no sun out, we just don't have any help at all. So I'm just gonna try to get a few shots of the front and the back and see how it looks. Packing Rayleigh's order now. And she gets the cute little shirt. I just hope she likes it.
Ain't nobody here.
But it's good. It's COVID.
Yeah, not when it said 4 seats left when I went to book my flight.
Yeah, I don't know. We just have to pray about that, daughter. Alright, let's take a quick peek. First time on the airplane. How do you feel?
I am nervous. I don't know what to expect.
You can tell my vlog where you're going, because this will go up after you're back.
I was invited to a songwriting camp for Maverick City. So I'm going to just spend some time with them and hopefully write some music. So let's see. Let's see how that goes. Okay,
let's hurry up for somebody to tell me that I don't need to be parked here, because it's like a whole bunch of police right there. Alright. God is working now. God is working now. Okay, so we tried to look and see what we wanted before we actually went in here. So I think I'm gonna do the hummus trio. Where the roll-ups? Let me show you. It's all the way down to the bottom. Spinach and mushroom. Because you know we don't really eat meat, so we always have to try to figure out. Because all these had meat in it, and they had like a kebab with shrimp on it, but it didn't put a. It was like one. So I mean, we want to get full, guys. So for our starters, we got the hummus. And this is the trio.
I'm not eating this.
It's a bell pepper.
Is it hot?
No.
Oh, I'll eat it.
But you don't have to eat it though. I don't argue with you.
Like,
these are the hard chips, and these are like, this is like the pita bread, so it's like a little bit softer.
Okay, let's try the hummus. I like it.
Which one did you try? Which one did you try?
Hummus. Man, the green one.
The green one, that's pesto.
Yes.
And something. I'm gonna have to look it up. We'll look at it again.
You said this one's really hot?
That stuff is. Finally finished my first bottle of the minerals that were custom made for me. So it's time for me to open a new bottle. I just realized that my favorite cleanser is like literally gone. I just had to take the top off just to get a little bit of it out. So this is Lime Life. And I normally just do just the cleanser, and the reason why I use this cleanser is because it helps with texture. It helps so that it doesn't build up on your skin, so it just kind of like puts a shield on your skin so that the texture doesn't form. And then I do also use a moisturizer that helps so that if there's already texture there, that it kind of takes it away. And I'm trying to make sure that the cleanser that I have, this is it, the Dream Clean. I think this is it. Let me see. Yeah, so it says this ingredient combats acne causing bacteria and inhibits melanin production. So dark spots on your face, reducing the appearance of age spots and sun damage. So this is the one that I always get, and I think it's fairly cheap. I think it's like 25 Okay, $26. And I'm not sure if it's because of them not having a lot of it, but normally they only let you buy one, so I'm not even gonna try to buy two. But this product, honestly, it lasts like a long time, so I'm just gonna get this. And if you guys are interested, you can check them out as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and grab some of my empties that I've been holding on to for like a long time, just so I can make a video. So the next video that I post hopefully will be of the empties and talking about how I like them and giving you like my review on them. Hope you have a good night. Thanks for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys later on in the week.